Hey everyone, to all the Mr. Cheese students and all his followers, welcome. Today we are going to break down one of those questions that can really make or break your grade. We're going to go through it piece by piece so you can walk into that exam feeling totally confident. So, Mr. Chi actually asked us to put this together for you. He knows this question can be a little tricky, and he's seen way too many students lose easy marks. So, consider this your definitive guide. This is going to be your secret weapon. Okay, so what's the game plan? It's all about question 2.1, a full 10 marks. Now, I know that can feel like a huge deal, but trust me, we're about to show you the exact roadmap to get every single one of those marks. You ready? Let's dive in.
All right, first things first, we have to understand the diagram. The entire question is built around this one little picture of a sperm cell. Seriously, if you get this diagram, the answers pretty much write themselves.
Okay, let's break this down. Right at the very tip, that's part A, the acrosome. Think of it like the key that gets into the egg. Right behind it, B is the nucleus, which carries all that vital genetic information. Then you have C, the midpiece, that's the engine room, packed with mitochondria giving it all its energy. And finally, D is the tail, which is basically the propeller. You've got to lock these parts and letters in your brain. They're the key to everything.
All right, let's talk strategy. We're going to start by grabbing the easy marks. Think of these as quick wins, right? They get some points on the board and really build your confidence. Let's go grab those easy points and get them in the bag.
Okay, first one up. It's a simple identification. What is part A? That little cap right on the tip of the sperm cell's head. What's it called?
And the answer? It's the acrosome. Boom! 1 mark, just like that. All you have to do is write down acrosome, and you are on your way. See? Easy.
Okay, next question. This is another one of those core concepts you just got to know. Is a sperm cell haploid or is it diploid? It's all about how many sets of chromosomes it's carrying.
And yep, the answer is haploid. A sperm cell is a gamete, which means it only has half the normal number of chromosomes, just 1 set. That's another mark locked in, and you're going to need that word for the next part, so don't forget it.
All right, let's jump ahead for a second and grab the last one marker. This one is asking about the function of part D, that long tail. What does it actually do?
Simple. It's for movement. It's for swimming. That tail just whips back and forth to push the sperm along. And bam, just like that, you've already got 3 out of 10 marks. See how easy that was?
Okay, with those easy marks locked down, let's level up. It's time to get into the questions that need a little more detail. But don't worry, we're all warmed up. This is where you really start to pull ahead of the pack.
So, remember how we said the sperm cell was haploid? Well, now they want to know why. For 2 marks, you can't just say what it is, you have to explain the reason behind it.
To nail both marks here, you got to hit 2 specific points. First, you have to mention it's formed by meiosis. That's the process that halves the chromosome number. That's your first mark. Second, you have to explain why that's important. It prevents the chromosomes from doubling up during fertilization. 1 mark for the process, 1 for the reason. Simple as that.
Okay, deep breaths. This is the big one. 5 marks. Literally half the marks for the whole question are right here. Nailing this is the difference between a good score and a perfect one. So the question is, describe spermatogenesis. I know it sounds like a big, complicated word, but it's just the biological name for the process of making sperm. For 5 marks, it's just a process, a series of steps.
So let's walk through the 5 key things the examiners are looking for. 1 for each mark. Number 1, the process is started by the hormone testosterone. Number 2, it begins with diploid cells in the seminiferous tubules of the testis. Number 3, these diploid cells go through meiosis. Number 4, the result is 4 sperm cells. And number 5, the final crucial point, those 4 cells are haploid. Hit those 5 points and those 5 marks are yours.
And that's it! We've cracked every piece of this puzzle. Now, let's put it all together and see what a perfect 10 out of 10 answer actually looks like on the page. Think of this as your cheat sheet.
Take a look at this. See how clean and to the point this is? For the 1-mark questions, it's just 1 word, acrosome, haploid, movement. For the 2-marker, 2 clear points. And for that big 5-marker, it's all 5 steps put together in a clear sentence. No extra fluff, just exactly what they're asking for. That's how you get top marks.
And there you go. You've officially walked through everything you need to know to get a perfect score on this question. You didn't just memorize answers, you learned the strategy. You should be super proud of that. You've totally got this now. Look, if this helps clear things up for you, there is plenty more where this came from. To get more of these expert breakdowns, you have to connect with Mr. Chi. Go follow him on TikTok, subscribe to his YouTube channel, and like his page on Facebook so you never miss out.
All right, so now we turn it over to you. We want to hear from you. What's that one exam question that is your absolute nightmare? Let us know in the comments. And hey, maybe we'll tackle that one next. Thanks for watching.